Car jump starters in 2026 are essential for instantly reviving dead batteries, ensuring safety, convenience, and emergency preparedness on the road. Today's video is about top 5 best car jump starters 2026 that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Wolfbox Jump Starter with Air Compressor. The newly upgraded all-in-one jump starter and air compressor is a powerhouse for any vehicle owner. With an 88.8 Wh battery and a peak 4000 A current, it can start completely dead 12V car batteries, including gas and diesel engines up to 10L. This multifunctional device doubles as a 24,000 mAh mobile power bank, capable of charging phones, tablets, and other devices via its 65W USB-C, USB-A, and 160W DC outputs. Fast charging means it's fully ready in just 2 hours, charging adapters sold separately. Tire inflation is impressively quick. Inflate a pickup truck tire in just 2.5 minutes, an SUV in 1 minute 20 seconds, and a sedan in 40 seconds. The built-in booster and 400-lumen LED flashlight, with distress, strobe, and high beam modes, make it a must-have emergency tool. Designed to withstand harsh conditions, it operates down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit and is rated IP64, with 10 safety protections to ensure reliability. Compact, versatile, and powerful, this device is an essential companion for road trips and emergencies. Now our second product is Zevzo Jump Starter. The ET03 car battery jump starter is a powerful, reliable companion for any vehicle owner. With a peak current of 4000 amps, it can jumpstart all 12V vehicles, including cars, trucks, motorcycles, lawnmowers, and boats, supporting engines up to 8.0L gas and 7.0L diesel. Impressively, it can deliver up to 50 jump starts on a single charge and can even revive completely dead 0V batteries thanks to its integrated force start function. Beyond jump starting, the ET03 doubles as a 74Wh portable power bank, with two 5V/2A USB ports to charge smartphones, tablets, and other devices simultaneously, delivering 50 faster charging than standard chargers. Safety and convenience are top priorities. It features a 500-lumen LED emergency flashlight with stable, strobe, and SOS modes, an LCD screen to monitor battery status, a wide operating temperature range of 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and 10 intelligent safety protections including overcharge, short circuit, and reverse polarity alerts. The ET03 comes complete with smart jump cables, a USB-C charging cable, a storage case, and a 2-year service guarantee, making it an essential, versatile tool for emergencies. Our third product is AstroAI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The advanced TrueGauge tire inflator is a compact, high-performance solution for all your inflation needs. Equipped with upgraded sensor technology, it collects pressure data 200 times per second with over 80 accuracy, 60 higher than the market average, ensuring precise readings wherever you drive. This versatile inflator offers 4+N smart modes for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, balls, and custom presets, allowing users to set their desired pressure, 3 to 150 psi, and choose from PSA, bar, kPa, or kg/cm superscript 2 units. Its powerful 150 psi motor delivers 17 liters per minute airflow, inflating a standard 195/65 or 15 car tire from 30 to 36 psi in just 1.5 minutes, twice as fast as many competitors. Weighing under 1 pound, it's easily portable for cars, bike racks, or backpacks. The 4000 mAh battery supports inflating up to 8 tires per charge, while the auto-off and preset functions provide a hands-free experience. More than just an inflator, it includes a multifunctional flashlight, stable, SOS, strobe, and USB-C/USB ports to serve as backup power for phones and devices, making it a reliable emergency companion. Now number 4, Oxilam Car Battery Jumper Starter. The Oxilam Car Jump Starter is a powerful and versatile emergency tool for any vehicle owner. With a peak current of 6000 A, it can revive dead car batteries in seconds even in extreme temperatures. A single full charge provides up to 60 jump starts, supporting gas engines and diesel engines up to 12L across cars, motorcycles, trucks, RVs, ATVs, yachts, and more. The 2024 upgraded jumper cables ensure safe, reliable performance every time. Safety is a top priority with 10 intelligent protections guarding against short circuits, reverse polarity, sparks, and overheating, while enhanced thermal management extends battery life and safeguards both the device and vehicle battery. Beyond jump starting, this all-in-one emergency kit functions as a 75 faster portable power bank with dual USB ports and a Type-C input, and it includes an 800 lumen LED flashlight with flashlight, strobe, and SOS modes. Built with a sturdy, waterproof shell, non-slip sides, and a compact lightweight design, it's easy to store in your car or bag. An LED screen displays battery status for intuitive monitoring, and Oxilam provides lifetime technical support for peace of mind. And our last choice is Power Car Battery Jump Starter. The Z07 Car Battery Jump Starter is a high-powered, versatile tool for every vehicle owner. Delivering a peak 5000 A current, it can effortlessly start 12V vehicles with engines up to 10.0L gas or 8.0L diesel. One full charge provides up to 20 jump starts, even in extreme temperatures, making it ideal for motorcycles, cars, trucks, boats, RVs, and tractors. Safety is a priority with an upgraded 10 protection system, including spark-proof, reverse polarity, overload, and temperature protections. Its IP65 rating ensures durability in harsh conditions, operating reliably from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Beyond jump starting, the Z07 doubles as a 74Wh portable power bank with dual USB outputs, providing fast, 50 quicker charging for smartphones, tablets, and other devices. The upgraded Type-C input ensures efficient recharging. The integrated 500 lumen LED flashlight features 3 modes: flash, strobe, and SOS, making it an essential tool for emergencies or outdoor adventures. Compact and rugged, the Z07 comes with smart jump cables, USB-C charging cable, user manual, and a 24-month warranty with lifetime technical support, combining power, convenience, and safety in one essential device. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.